Tēnā whānau, well here we are, Tautoko FM, we're at the Omanaya Kura, as you can see. We're here for the day with them where they're having the Hokianga South Primary School Kapahaka Festival. So we hope you stay with us today and see all the events that are going to be happening. There's quite a few people around, so keep with us whānau.
People, I'm from Raumea Primary School, and my name is Mayoriri.
Kaupapa Māori o Te Tonga o Hokianga. They're awesome. Actually all the kura were awesome. So proud of our kids.
Wow, what an awesome day we have had here at Te Kura o Omanaya for the South Hokianga Kapahaka Festival 2017. Don't forget whānau, next year, 2018, it's going to be held at Waima. It's been an awesome day with all the manuhiri here at the Kura, so hope to see you next year. Ka kite anō.